2021. So then we got a call from a lady, she's got no heat. I put this heat and AC in her house like 3 years ago. I did a replacement over there. She says the thermostat's saying low battery. So I told her you just have to change the batteries in the thermostat, but she can't figure out how to get the thermostat off the wall to change the batteries. So I said, I'm gonna have to charge you to go out there, lady. I'm gonna have to charge you to drive all the way out there to change the batteries in the thermostat. So she says, that's fine, come on out. So I'm on my way out there.
Take exit 13. On the right to 140 north.
I'm on my way out there to change the batteries in her thermostat. That should take care of the issue. Then it's a Honeywell. So sometimes you gotta pop the bottom out and then up. Peel it from the bottom up. Sometimes there's batteries on the side and a little tray. But she can't seem to figure it out, so. Oh well. It's all part of being in business, I guess. So we'll go change the batteries and see if it fires up. If not, we'll fix the heater. I know it's a Rudd gas furnace over there. A little 80 plus into a chimney. Steve is working again, Mama.
140 north.
Steve is working again. Steve's a real working man, y'all. Steve Lab's a real working man, y'all. Says low battery on there.
Oh, is that? Jesus.
It's probably just batteries.
I've got some down. What is it? AAA?
Yeah, like I said, you peel it from the bottom out, right?
I tried, but maybe I wasn't doing it right.
I mean, plumbers are gonna eat too, right?
Yeah. No, I mean, I just want to have heat in the house for.
Where's my mask?
Oh, it's in.
I thought I saw it. No,
I don't know. Put it. Go back in there. Is it over there? No, we've been meaning to call you back. I mean, we've been here, I don't know, over 30 some odd years. We've never had to change a battery, so I don't.
Oh, you need to change them. You want to set at 66 in here. Set at 70.
Okay.
So it should come on. Hear it running.
Oh, that's good. No, I mean, no one ever told us about that.
Well, you know how to do it now. I told you, you got to peel it from the bottom up.
Well, I tried. Oh, here it goes.
There it goes.
Oh,
Yeah, so it's been a couple of years. 2.5 years.
yeah. Yeah, remember, you were supposed to come back and do a few things for us, but he's been sick with his heart, and then he fell, broke his femur, was in the hospital, had to have surgery, and he's just come home.
Really? Well, I might as well get my kit and clean the flame sensor while I'm here.
Okay.
It's been a couple of years, right?
We're going to call you to come back to do a few other things. But
It's been 2.5 years. Let me clean the flame sensor while I'm here.
That's fine.
Alright. AC coil came off the back. I'm going to clean the flame sensor while I'm here. It's right down in here. It's not the greatest place for it, but it is what it is. Kind of in a bad area, bad design. I would say it's a bad area. Not easy to get it out. While I'm here, I'm gonna clean it. I told her every couple of years you gotta change the batteries. And it's been 2.5, so it's about how long they lasted. While I'm here, got a charger for a service call anyway, so I might as well clean the flame sensor while I'm here. Scotch Brite probably would have been fine, but just gonna get $100 bill, so might as well do something while I'm here. Not easy being cheesy, mama. Not easy being cheesy. Tried telling her over the phone how to do it, but she couldn't comprehend. Houston, we have ignition. Alright, so change thermostat batteries and clean flame sensor. She's got heat now. Check the filter. The filter's clean also. The filter in the back here, he's been changing them, so I'm good with that. Wow.
Yeah, they don't have enough drops, enough vaccine to go around.
Maybe I could take it out and put some more putty under there. Let's try that. I don't know.
You know, it's strange. That's why we're having trouble like that.
I don't know what the hell I did it last time. I don't even remember.
I thought you just kind of...
Yeah, the whole flipping thing's loose. She's loose as a goose. Maybe I can get out and put some putty in there. I think I might have did that last time. I'm not sure. I might have put putty on it last time. I'm not sure. Maybe. She's loose as a goose, mama. I'll put some new putty on there and try that. Put a little lube on there. Give it a little bit of lube. That helps. Helps everything go back together instead of it binding. There's a special tool they have for this, but I don't have one. I don't know where it is. I improvise. She's loose as a goose, Mama. I was here a while back. I don't know if I might have put putty on this thing, I'm not sure. I hope I don't break these magnificent pliers. We'll see if it leaks now. Shouldn't. Give it another. How you doing? That's good. That don't work. I'm gonna change the whole drain. Try that. That should be good enough for this neighborhood. I don't see it leaking. If it leaks again, he's gonna have to put a whole new drain in there. So I could do that. I could cut this out and put a whole new drain in there if I had to. I don't seem to be leaking, but we'll wait and see. Nope, she just dripped. I just seen it drip. I'll probably have to put a whole new drain in there. Might have to grind the bottom of that down. We'll have to get a new drain for it. A new trap, a couple of 45s, and rework it. Ain't gonna happen today. Alright, so I moved the insulation out of the way, and if it does drip, it just drips right into this, next to this pit, so it's not a big deal. You can use it in the meantime. I'm gonna have to get a new drain. I might have to get the new one, the silicone, the bottom good around that gasket. I don't know. But there's a rubber gasket on the bottom there. That's questionable. There's a rubber gasket on the bottom. You can see it's been siliconed before. It's been leaking right there. Looks like it's been siliconed, but it's been leaking right there. So it's probably not a good joint there. I'll have to pull it out. Might have to reface that with some kind of grinder wheel if I can. I don't know if I can even get up there. That should have been done before they put the tub in. Make sure it's a good one, you know. Unless it's cracked. Don't look like it's cracked. We'll get new piping for it and a new drain.